today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pubg mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Pubg mobile app, or just click on search. Then here add Pubg mobile app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Sorry, we will go back. You will add here Pubg mobile app in search. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stock. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.